Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about how to increase your online sales on your Shopify store. So if that's something that you're into, definitely stick around. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Are you struggling to increase the sales on your online website? You know that your products work and people like adding it to their carts, but they're not purchasing as much. Then the solution to that may be AfterPay. AfterPay is a buy now, pay later online service that allows customers to purchase your product and break up their payments in 4 super easy installments. Having this option on your store should increase your conversion rate because it gives your customer the extra push to go ahead and purchase their product, which should allow for more customers to go ahead and purchase your products through your funnel. Having AfterPay on your store gives customers the flexibility to go ahead and purchase the product right away without having to pay the entire price up front. It gives customers the satisfaction of not having to wait till payday to go ahead and purchase your product that they are excited about. With AfterPay, it allows customers to break up their payments into 4 installments that they can pay off within 6 weeks. Customers also have the ability to pay off the purchase before 6 weeks if they choose to. There is no credit check for customers to use AfterPay, so anyone can go ahead and sign up. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get AfterPay on our online Shopify store, so that way we can get set up, get the ball rolling, and start bringing in those sales. So let's get right into it. So how do you sign up with AfterPay? AfterPay is free for you to sign up for as an online store. The way you will have to sign up is by using my referral link that's in the description. Once you click my link in the description, you should see a page that looks like this. When you get to this page, fill out all of the information to get started and start increasing the sales on your website. AfterPay increased the conversion rate on my online store, and I'm confident that it will work for you as well. So, how do you add AfterPay to your Shopify store? After you have created your AfterPay merchant account, what you want to do is log into your Shopify store and go to the Settings tab. If you have not created your Shopify store yet, I do have a step-by-step tutorial on how to properly create one. The link will be in the description. After you click Settings, you will need to go to Payments. And on the Payments page, you will need to go to Alternate Payment Methods, and you would have to click Choose Alternate Payment. Once you get to that page, you would choose AfterPay. Okay, and once you get to the AfterPay page, you should be able to enter your merchant ID and also your secret key that you received from AfterPay after signing up. So once you put that information in here, you will go ahead and click Activate AfterPay. Now, to get AfterPay to show up on the product page of your theme to look like this, you will need to go to Online Store. And once you get to Online Store, you will need to go to your theme and you will need to click on Actions. Once you do that, you will click Edit Code. On the Edit Code page, you will go to the Layout section here and you will click Theme.Liquid. So once you get to this page, you would have to put in a piece of code at the very bottom of your Theme.Liquid. I will have a link in the description of the code that you would have to place in here. If you are uncomfortable with adding the code to your theme, then what you can do is allow the people at AfterPay to add it for you. So, how will you get paid with AfterPay? With AfterPay, you will get paid what the customer pays at checkout minus a 5% fee. Don't let the 5% fee bother you because AfterPay was designed to increase your conversion rate and your average order value. So the more sales you get, the more you make. By using my referral link in the description, you actually get an introductory rate of 4% instead of 5% for the first 30 days of you having AfterPay on your store. When the customer uses AfterPay to make a purchase on your website, the purchase goes straight through as normal, and AfterPay will deposit the money to you in about 3 to 5 business days. It's just as simple as that. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did get some value, definitely leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Also, if you would like for me to create a Facebook ads course that you can use to bring sales to your online store, let me know in the comments so I can go ahead and get that created for you. I'll make sure to make it very easy to understand and very easy to get results with. I've used Facebook ads for my store and I've gotten some good results with that. So I'll go ahead and make the course for the strategy that I use in order to get online sales. So thanks again for tuning in, watching this video, leaving a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.